Then comes Vishnu Granthi. It is in the heart towards Vishuddha. From Anahata towards Vishuddha is Vishnu Granthi. This Vishnu Granthi is the knot that preserves life in the body or sustains the creation. In the heart, because of breath, because of blood circulation, the life is maintained in the body. Outside world, because of Vishnu Granthi, this creation continues. Creation is sustained. The creation is sustained through Vishnu Granthi. The other name of Vishnu Granthi is Hridaya Granthi. It is said in the Upanishad, Vidyate Hridaya Granthi, Chinyante Sarva Samsayah, Kshiyante Cha Asya Karmani. Vidyate Hridaya Granthi, you should penetrate the knot of the heart. Chinyante Sarva Samsayah, how to know that your knot of the heart is opened? When your mind is free from confusion, free from doubt. Kshiyante cha asya karmani. At that time you are free from the bondage of karma. It is the state of freedom. Defining Hridaya Granthi, the yogis, the rishis, they have said, avidya, kama, karma, iti Hridaya Granthi. Avidya, ignorance, nescience. Kama, desire, passion. Karma, activity or action. Three together represent the knot of the heart. Avidya, out of ignorance. Lots of desire, expectation, greed arise in us because of ignorance. A person who is in knowledge is free from all these useless desire. Avidya, ignorance, is the cause of boundless desires, and these desires motivate us, prompt us to accomplish, to fulfill. So we undertake many types of activities. Karma. Avidya, kama, karma, iti Hridaya Granthi. Ignorance, desire, and activities. And the cause is ignorance. The cause is ignorance. Because of ignorance, we need too many things. I just give one example often. As I travel a lot, I have to pack my bag. When I pack my bag, every time I reduce the things I put in. Even sometimes the size of the bag gets smaller and smaller, but still I find I have taken much more than what I need. It is my own experience. I take much more than what I need. Now, if I, usually I don't, very rarely, if I allowed somebody to pack my bag, do you know what happens? It becomes 4 times, 5 times more than what I needed. Why? It is all avidya, all ignorance. I need this, I need that. I need this, I need that. Or he may need this, he may need that. We put so many things. I was reading an article in the aeroplane. In the aeroplane, the airlines have their own magazine. I was reading that one lady is writing, it is her experience. She travels a lot for her business or activities. So she packs up things at late hours or last hour of his time. She picks up things and packs things like this. And when she goes to the place and opens the bag in the hotel, do you know what happens? The upper part is there, the lower part missing. One sock's there, the other pair is missing. And like this, all odd combination. And she's in trouble. Gurudev used to say, hello sir, this life is a journey. You have to pack things properly. You have to pack things properly. And Gurudev used to say, I pack my bag in such a way I can open and bring the things with eyes closed. I need not have to open my eyes. I know it is there. The meaning is, how much do we need? Are we not engaging ourselves in many unnecessary thoughts, unnecessary worries, unnecessary activities? Hridaya Granthi, avidya, ignorance, kama, desire, karma, activities related to desires and ignorance, they are all interrelated. Hridaya Granthi.